Yo guys, welcome to another.
Today, we are going to explore two different grey wash techniques, grey wash with black and grey wash with white. Many tattoo artists use grey wash for shading, but a big debate is, can you use white instead of Solucio water in grey wash? Or will it cause healing issues? In this video, I'll break down the differences, discuss their pros and cons, and compare them to see which one suits your style best. So, stick around till the end. Black grey wash is the most common method for tattoo shading. In this technique, black ink is diluted with distilled water or grey wash solution to create different shades of grey. The more dilution, the lighter and softer the shading. This method has been tested and proven to heal well and last long. Pros of black grey wash: full control over shading intensity, smooth healing and long-lasting results. Suitable for various styles, from realism to traditional. How to use it. Prepare multiple cups with different ratios of black ink and water. For example, cup 1, ultra light grey wash 10% black ink plus 90% diluent. Cup 2, light grey wash 25% black ink plus 75% diluent. Cup 3, medium grey wash 50% black ink plus 50% diluent. Cup 4, dark grey wash 75% black ink plus 25% diluent. Important tips: for better control, you can create a fifth cup with an even lower black ink ratio, use slow movements and gradual layering for a softer effect. Use circular motions or whip shading for smooth blends. Find the right mix to achieve natural-looking gradients. Now, let's talk about white grey wash. In tattooing, most artists rely on black grey wash for shading, but there's a lesser-known technique that offers a unique effect: whitewash grey. Instead of diluting black ink with water, this method uses white ink to reduce its intensity. The result is a shading effect that is not only softer and more natural, but also has a matte, velvety appearance compared to traditional grey wash. Why use white in grey wash? Creates softer shading. Mixing white with black reduces darkness and creates a misty, airy shading effect. Ideal for lighter skin tones, white ink helps shadows look more natural on lighter skin, preventing them from appearing too smoky. Perfect for portraits and realism. This method is ideal for portrait tattoos, realism, and any design that requires smooth, blended shading. This technique is excellent for covering old tattoos. How to make whitewash grey. Just like black grey wash, different dilution levels can be created, but instead of water, white ink is used. Here are some common mixing ratios. First cup, 90% white plus 10% black, very light shading, perfect for soft highlights. Second cup, 80% white plus 20% black, medium shading, ideal for natural volume. Third cup, 70% white plus 30% black, medium shading, ideal for natural volume. Fourth cup, 50% white plus 50% black, semi-dark shading, great for adding depth. Fifth cup, 30% white plus 70% black, very dark shading, close to black but softer. Pro tips when using whitewash grey. Work in layers. Instead of applying dark shading immediately, build up in multiple light layers for better results. Choose the right needles. Round magnum or flat needles work best for smooth, blended shading. Combine with black grey wash. Some artists first use whitewash grey for soft shading and then add black grey wash on top for extra depth. Consider the healed result. White ink fades slightly after healing, so apply the shading slightly darker than your desired final look. Every tattoo you create is more than just ink on skin, it's a reflection of your skill, patience, and creativity. If you're even a little better than yesterday, you're on the right path. Keep pushing forward and become the best version of yourself. Make sure to check out my other videos: how to make skin tone tattoo ink for realism and portrait tattoo. Which type of grey wash do you use more? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn tattooing the right way, like this video and subscribe now.